guys! Welcome back for another episode of balloon tutorial video. So today's video is we will be making another balloon bouquet, and this time it will be for a graduation theme. So I will be making this for a client. It is for a school graduation, and I will be using this for a drive-by graduation ceremony. At the end of this video as well, I am going to show you how I install this on site. So let's go ahead and check out the supplies that we'll be using for this balloon bouquet. Okay guys, so these are the balloon supplies, or the supplies that we will be using for this bouquet. So their theme is going to be navy blue, white, and silver. So basically I am just going to use the 11 inches Qualitex navy blue, and I also have here the 5 inches in the same color, the 11 inches white, 5 inches of the white, and chrome silver. So as I have mentioned, that this bouquet will have the grad letters, and also at the base I will be putting the 16 inches of the 2020. So on top of this foil balloons, I will be incorporating also this graduation foil balloon that says congrats grad. Yeah, it's a graduation hat. I will incorporate this on top of this letters. For balloon bouquets, I usually use this stretchy balloon tape. It's from Click Click. So these are super sturdy balloon tapes. I also use this glue dots as well. And yeah, I also use 260 Qs. These are the I already cut this in half, so I'll be using this to attach my smaller sizes latex balloons. And also guys, I'm going to use water weight, and then what else? Yeah, the string to make the base, and of course my electric pump and hand pump. When working with balloon bouquet, you have to make the base in the same size. So for this set of quad, I will be inflating them for about 9 inches big. So like this. And then tie it together to make a duplet. And then here, so we now have both duplets, so we just have to attach both or twist them together, and now we have the quad. Okay guys, so now we are going to make another quad, or another set of clusters in 5-inch size also. So the same, just tie both balloons to make a duplet. And then make it a quad by tying them together like this. So again, we are going to make six sets of this cluster, the 9-inch size, and then 4 sets of this cluster, the 5-inch size. Okay guys, so now I am inflating my 5 inches latex balloon. So as the same as the clusters for the bigger ones. So I'm just making them into a duplet. So I inflated them with 2 or 3 pumps. Just going to attach both duplet. So that is now making a cluster. So when attaching this smaller balloons, I always like to tie them to a 260Q so that it'll be easier for me to attach them to the base. Okay, so keep in mind that I did the first cluster of 9 inches, and then now I'm going to attach my second cluster, but this time the 5 inches size. Okay guys, so now I have the base here. So I have mentioned from my previous video that I always love to attach 4 pieces or 1 cluster of 5 inches on both end of my base. It's actually optional, but I usually put this cluster here because when you put pressure on your foil balloons here, tendency this cluster will deform, so I don't want that to happen. So that's why this is kind of like to secure this end clusters. Okay guys, so now I'm going to attach my water weight. So what I usually do is I just squeeze in the middle of this clusters here, and then I'll just gonna grab extra neck of the clusters. That's where I tie my water weight there, and then on the other end. Okay guys, so now you might be wondering why I have the base this small, because so what I'm gonna do is to split into half. Like I have 4 foil balloons, so every base that I'll be making is 2 foil balloons on top. So this will be attached with 2 foil balloons. The reason why I did that, because I am going to transport this to the school later. So this is the only size that will fit in my car. So that's the reason why that I just split this into half. But if you guys are gonna be doing this on site, or if you have a bigger car, you can just continue attaching your base over here.
Travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be long. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding. Seen many souls, many holy. washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest. The blessed Midwest.
This foil balloon is pre-inflated with helium. Normally, I don't use helium when doing balloon bouquet since we are using balloon tape, and that tape will be sturdy enough to attach foil balloons. But in this case, since I will be placing them outdoor and they will be placed outdoor for about 5 to 6 hours. So I just want to make sure that in case this foil balloon will be detached from the letters, it will still float and it will still give accent to the entire arrangement. Okay guys, so we are now done with both sets of our bouquet. Later, I'm going to show you how we set up or how we arrange this graduation bouquet on site. Okay guys, so that's it. That was just about our graduation themed balloon bouquet with 4 letters and mini foil balloons attached. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more balloon videos. Bye! See you guys in our next video.